Hey guys, this is our 2002 Toyota van, and today we will show you its amazing features. First is our non-working gas tank door cover, because the previous owner had an electronic system installed on it and it just stopped working. Unfortunately, they didn't leave out the wires, so we couldn't rewire it. And now we will show you the situation that we have every time that we try to fill up a gas tank or fill up gas, which, as you can see, includes dealing with this amazing rear door that won't stay up. Anyhow, here's how we do it. So we hold the door and we reach for the latch that enables us to open the gas tank door cover. In a few seconds, we will show you where exactly the latch is. Hopefully you will be able to see it. Now, what we do is we push it to the right, and that releases the lock from the outside, and we manually pry the door open to fill up gas. Okay, next we have the scratches on the side. We'll get back to that later. First, we will show you this window that won't lock as well. So hopefully we can get that fixed too. So what happened is the previous owner had an accident. As you can see there's a damage on the door, and when they repaired it or had it repaired, they decided to make their own bracket to reinstall the sidings, but that didn't work out so well, and their bracket started damaging the side, especially the paint on the side of the van, and this is what we're trying to remove here. So we'll see you on the next cut. So here you can see that we're having a hard time removing it because it rusted, and we had to pry everything out as well to get to the other side of the sidings. Okay, so as you can see, we're able to get it to work, and discovered another amazing feature, which is the railing on the sliding door. Hopefully we can get that fixed in the future too. Sorry guys if we weren't able to introduce ourselves earlier. By the way, my name's Ian.
And I'm T.
And this is going to be our van build slash van life series, and hopefully you will join us for the continuation or the progress videos of this build.
And we'll try to include you also in our van life journey as we go around the Philippines. So as you can see right now, we're trying to remove the seats. So this is the middle row seat. It's kind of difficult for us because we're just using basic tools and the bolts were rusty. So it's taking us some time to do that. So, as you can see, the van is really messy. We're just trying to, we just moved into our temporary home as we build the van. This would be, our target would be like 2 months probably. So, I'm kind of showing off the amazing interiors of the van. We're gonna try to remove everything.
Okay, the plan is to do this build by ourselves, although we are not professionals, but we would like to see how it goes. And we were also trying to find the cheapest and most efficient options out there. Right now, as you can see, we are starting to remove the rear seats, and this will take time as well because of our basic tools and the non-cooperative nuts and bolts on the base of the van. Other than the amazing features that we showed you earlier, we would also like to let you know that this van has been having some engine issues as well, where it won't stay on unless we have the air conditioning on full blast. Well, at least that's the last experience that we had. And this happened, or this started happening as soon as we exited the expressway. So we barely made it here, and we will give you an update as well regarding the progress of the engine repair or engine damage. Hopefully not. After removing the rest of the parts of the rear seat, we proceeded in dismantling the seat belts as well for the middle row seats. And as you can see, it's under this left side siding, which we will be removing as well as this video progresses, because we're trying to find a way on how we can install a manual system for the gas tank door cover. We didn't expect it to be that difficult just to remove the siding on this van, but we did, and we find a way to route a cable from the front seat to the back to repair the gas tank door cover. And hopefully we see you guys on our next video. Thank you so much for your time.